New unboxing from StockX. Prices on all these colorways have went up to around 600, 700 range. It's just crazy. These are the Pharrells. Are they the tennis? The tennis? HU 2016. Check it out. Boom. PW Pharrell Williams Human Race NMDs, size 7 US. What colorway did I get? Let me check out my receipt first, so y'all don't see my information. I got that StockX card to see if these are legit. Bam! I picked up the Tangerine, the orange pair, my first pair of NMD Pharrells. Check it out. It says Human, so human. Here is the shoes. Has that like prime knit upper, that cage, that nice new look lace system. Has the black blocks. Adidas on the back with that hint of leather. The bottoms, just like an NMD. Comes with extra laces right here. Here it is, the little boost inside. Got that authentication from StockX, and yeah, boost looks legit. It's Pharrell Williams right here with the makes up the third stripe. Yeah, my first pair of Pharrells. I might try to get more, but prices are just so high right now. This one I found for a pretty good price. But yeah, I'm trying to look for other colorways, but everyone's asking for like 700, 800, so I might chill for now. But yeah, I'm super stoked I'll be able to pick these up, the Pharrells. In this Tangerine colorway. Orange boys we here, looking like a pumpkin. But yeah, these are sick. Newest pickup from Adidas. I mean from StockX. The Adidas Pharrell Human NMDs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm out. Peace.